again with your Nelson and welcome to the instruction. All about mathematics, and the lesson is about prime and composite numbers. So with that, I'll have to show you the examples of prime and composite numbers in your screen. I want to give to you the meaning of a prime and a composite numbers. So what is prime and composite numbers? Here it is. Prime number has only two factors, and that is 1 and the number itself. While the composite numbers has more than two factors. By the way, what is factors? There you have it. Factors is the number that you have to multiply by themselves, no? So duha ka number, maybe tulo, duha, different types of number or different kind of number which you can multiply them, no? Meaning duha, pwede itong tulo, pwede itong duha kabog place value, so either two. So that is a factor. For example, I want to show you an example of prime and composite numbers. And these are the examples of prime numbers. Prime numbers has only two factors, meaning duha ra kabog imong i-multiply. There's no other number nga makaresult ana nga number which is wala lain nga magamit pa, only the two, only the number 1, the number itself. Okay, so this is example of prime numbers. So has only two factors. Example here, 2. So there is no any number who can be used to multiply that will answer 2. Only 1 and 2. Yes, there you have it. 1 times 2 equals to 2. And also with 3. There's any number, or there's only two numbers that you can use to multiply and to get the factor or the product of 3. So there's 3 times 1 or 1 times 3. Also with 5. So you can have there 5 times 3, 5 times 1, and you can all result 5. No? So you cannot use 5 times 3, 5 times 2, because that is another result, another product. But we have to find only the factor or the answer or the product of 5. So only 1 and 5. Also with 7, right? Also with 7, you cannot find any number, or you cannot find the product of 7, but you have only to use the factors by 1 and 7. So because 1 times 7 equals 7. 7 times 1 equals 7. Also with 13. So meaning, ang prime number has only two factors. Oh, this is our two factors, ha? So two factors here. Example here. This is the first factor, and this is the second factor. No? So we have only two factors by itself. Na maka-answer that you can get the product by its number only. So wala na ilain. No, yes, you can see 2. There's no other you can multiply that can answer 2 except for addition, but this is multiplication. So you have to use the number itself and the 1. So that is a prime numbers. Has only two factors. This time I want to show you an example of composite numbers. Composite numbers has more than two factors, meaning that numbers you can use to find the product. So many numbers, just like 4. So there are different factors. As you can see, there are 3 factors, so more than 2. That is a composite. So 4 is a composite number. So example here, 4, you can also get 1 times 4. So 1 times 4. 1 times 4 na. So 1 times 4 equals 4. First composite now, first factor. 2 times 2 is 4. Second factors. 4 times 1 equals 4. So there are 3 factors in 4. That's why it is composite. Meaning, so there are 1, 2, and 4. There are 3 factors that you can get to find 4. So daghan siya. So more than 2. Huh? So 3 iyang kabuok. 4. How about 6? So you can get also her 6. 1 times 6 equals 6. First factor. 2 times 3 equals 6. Second factor. 3 times 2 equals 6. Third factor. 6 times 1 equals 6. So there are 4 factors of 6. So that is composite numbers. And there's a lot of numbers has more than 2 factors. And I have only given you 2 examples as guide for you to get your answers on your book. So do your work now. I hope you get your lesson today well and do your job too. So thank you. This is Teacher Nelson and thank you.